Can you guys see me? Anybody? What's happening? I think I'm a little lagging today. Let me know when you guys can see me in here. Hold on a second. There we go. Is anybody here? Can anybody hear me? All right. All right, guys. So what do we think's going on? Could Bitcoin be going up to the pump? I had these targets here from this morning. I still believe that's what's going on. Let me move this real quick. Look at this as a falling wedge, not counting this wick here. If we did a measured move off that, if we were to break out here, we'd be going up to about the $8,800 range, which would be right in line with the 200 EMA. But if I look at it using that wick where we broke out over here and taking a measured move off of that, it is looking like that 8,900 range, which would also line up with the top of this yellow dotted line I have here, making a broadening wedge. So that is what I'm looking at. How's everybody doing today? And then in Litecoin, same thing. We are still within this channel. And like I said, if we stay above this 5550, we could be breaking out of this wedge. And that could get us up to that $120 range. What's up, Savy? We're going up. Everything looking strong. What's up, D-Man? Mr. Cyclone, David, Bob, Kali. I don't know if I said that right. What's up, Predator? Predator said he's... What's up, Anthony? Crazy Greek Freak. What's happening? Predator, what wedge? Are you talking about the wedge on Litecoin? Or are you talking about the wedge on Bitcoin? 7,500, Tim Peel says, before any real upside. Tim, if we go down below 7,700, we're going lower than that. We're going to about the 6,300. I've been talking about that for days. We break 7,700, we are going down to 6,300. And I don't believe we'll be breaking 7,700. When we test something 3 times, if we break through on the 4th time, it's not going to stop $200 below. It's not going to happen. Oh, wedges on Bitcoin, yeah. Yeah, that's the ones I had in there this morning. It's seems to be playing out. I guess we'll have to see what happens here. Let me go into the smaller time frame real quick. And we are getting supported by the EMAs. They are not looking too bullish though at the moment. Going to the 5-minute. They are looking bullish on the 5-minute. Looking like they're ready to cross. Moneymaker said, I hope 7.7 holds. I do think it will. But if not, I do think we're going to 6,300. What's up, altcoin bonanza? Joe said, Savvy, you never mentioned 6,300 before. I've been talking about 6,300 for probably a month. If you go back to all my videos, I talk about it every day, man. Bob Harrison said he agrees with 6,300. I think we'll have a very short-term drop to 61. Let me get this out of the way. I think we're going to have a nice move up. Most likely today. It's actually looking pretty damn strong. Guess we'll have to wait and see. I'm still in my trade from this morning. What's up, Gustavo? And where am I at? I am up 27%. I got in at 82.90. Oh, sorry I haven't been in the Discord a lot, guys. I've been extremely busy. I'm pretty busy still. I'm probably going to make this kind of short, but I just wanted to get on. I haven't come on and seen you guys in a while. I like to come visit the community live every once in a while. Remember, today was technically part of the weekend. Tuesday AM will be the bounce. Moneymaker, how's come I've never heard you talking about whale manipulation? I think whales are suppressing our way up. I believe in the charts. Everything is in the charts. Manipulation, whatever. It's all part of the charts. The charts are human emotion. Manipulation, whatever, is just an emotion. Also, greed, fear. I believe in the charts. I do not believe in manipulation. Most people that say manipulation are just, you know, they're just trying to make an excuse for why they were wrong. That's what I see usually. Because people only call manipulation when it goes down. When it skyrockets up, nobody says shit about manipulation. Jeff Nelson said, hey, Savy, almost made it to the Cleveland event. I was there on the 10th, but had to leave late afternoon. I was pissed. Damn, that sucks, man. It was a pretty good time. Another thing people talk about is market makers. They talk about market makers like they're sitting in a big convention hall and they all have a big plan for Bitcoin. That's not how market makers work. Market makers work for specific exchanges, and all they do is keep liquidity. They don't give a shit if it goes up. They don't give a shit if it goes down. If there's more money up here, they go up there to get the liquidity. That's how they work. It's not like there's a fucking 1,000 market makers on a phone calling each other making this big plan. I can't stand when people say that stuff. Anyways, sorry about the rant. What's up, Andres? When bull flag blast off? Soon, hopefully. We may see it in the next week or two. I do believe we're going to come up and test this 93.50 here. Most definitely. As you guys know, that is the measured move of this triangle here, right up perfectly to the 70 or 93.50 area. Now, if we break that, we'll probably come up here, and it would be what I'm assuming, and this is just an assumption, but I'm going to play with it. What I'm assuming when we break that is, well, we broke out here, so what I'm assuming is we come up here, something like this, and create a bull flag to break through the bull flag and off to the races. That is my assumption. My opinion, not yours. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. I also wanted to say, you know, anybody that's watching any channels, help the YouTubers out. If you enjoy their content, definitely. I'm up 31%. Nice. But anyways, help them out. Leave a comment. I know I don't think about it a lot of times, but I've been, you know, starting to do it more often. It really helps people out. You guys, it takes a lot of work to make the videos. I mean, all you guys see is a 15-20 minute video in the morning, but there's a lot of stuff that goes in behind that. And I say that for all YouTubers, even though I don't like many of them, they're still putting in the work. Just, you know, if just support them. Leave a comment. Smash the like. I mean, it's pretty simple. It doesn't cost you anything. Moneymaker said, by manipulation, I mean big players manipulating the price to fit their agendas with low market cap. That's not that hard. Yeah, like I said, it's all part of the charts. But if you look, it always hits fibs. They always play out on trend lines and everything. Everything always works out. So, I mean, you can blame it on whatever you want, but the charts are the charts. Thanks, Josh. I appreciate you, man. What's up, Crypto Storm? Where's the like button in the live chat? Click off the live chat for a minute. If you're on your mobile, just click off the live chat and the like button will pop up, and then you can click back on the live chat. Much appreciated, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to get that out there. Like I said, it's not like There's not many YouTubers I really like anyways, but like I said, there's a lot of work into putting the videos in and stuff. I don't think people understand it because they only see the 20-minute videos and stuff. But yeah, just give them likes and leave your comments, man. That would be nice. Paul Bear said literally grocery shopping and streaming you live. Nice, man. We have one dislike from Voldemort again. We had a dislike before it even started. That's funny. Thanks, Tales of the Crypto. We are definitely getting supported on the EMAs here. It's looking pretty good, guys. How's Litecoin looking? Litecoin is under the 55 EMA. The 55 EMA is acting as resistance for Litecoin. Litecoin may get one more touchdown here on the bottom of this. But watch, if it does break, guys, we are headed towards the $49 range. I think most likely, even if we do test this, I think we're going to come up and break this wedge. My opinion. This is not financial advice. Raid, thanks, man. Appreciate the tip. Much appreciated. Moneymaker said, well, Pale, hope you're right. And we go up. My liquidation price is below the 7.7. Make sure you use stops, man. Crypto Crew University, quick dislike in every video. Thanks, Raid. I appreciate that, man. Savvy, I'm from Kuwait. Keep up the good work. All right, Farhan. Free content only, baby. Some of these rude ass comments I get on the videos, I'm thinking about starting a little VIP charge section. Maybe I'll charge for my Discord and shit, since people bitch about me shilling my wife's webpage, which I'm gonna do now. Definitely check it out, guys. There is a link to it below the description. Inkerimage.com. She doesn't just do crypto stuff, guys. You can have her put anything on any of this stuff that you want. She also does them big glass pictures that stick off the wall a little bit, but you can have her put anything on any of this stuff you want. So the gold comparison chart, I don't have that stuff up right now. Let me see. Not loading very fast. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah, the gold comparison chart doesn't look the same anymore. Obviously, we had a much longer... Hold on, let me get this on here. Where is it at? Gold. Yeah, we had a much longer consolidation and what I believe to be accumulation. Thanks, Paul Bear. Much appreciated, brother. All right, so let's see. Celino said, it's your channel. Show whatever the hell you want. Seriously, some people need to go get a grip or just get wrecked. Yeah, that shit pisses me off, man. Whoops. Let me get that off there now. Anyway, there's the comparison chart. Where is gold right now? 1496. It's still under 1500. Damn it. I keep opening the wrong crap up. There it is. You can see, obviously, we had a way longer. I do still think it's possible we hit new all-time highs this year. 46K is still in my mind because, like I said a million times, let me go into the weekly. And Yo, Savvy, us girly men gotta stick together. I'd rather my money go to a good human being than some of the other shitheads on YouTube. Savvy, you are a real, genuine person. Good man, brother. Thanks, D-Man. Much appreciated. Australia in the house. Let's go Bitcoin. So gold comparison no longer holds. Yeah, it still does. The whole, like, that's what I've been talking about with the weekly chart. I definitely still believe it is possible that we get a run just like in 2017. As many people think that isn't possible. As long as 7,700 holds, I think we're going to see at least new all-time highs this year. If we hit the 20,000 by November, I think it's possible to hit 46,000 in December. We have to the end of November to hit the 20,000. What's up, Keith? How them Australian shipping rates? Horrible, man. Cost me a whole damn Bitcoin to send a sign. No, I'm just joking. This run is coming. Will play out like 17. I believe so, man. Predator's calling for 18. What's up, Crypto Dave? Ring guy says 7K in 4 days. His ring says so. Alrighty then. Everybody's got an opinion, right? I would like to see this turn up. We did have the 8 cross to 21 EMA on the weekly. No effect yet, though. Go back to the daily. Chart looks kind of messy. Sorry, guys. Luke said, can I be safe and say 16 to 18K? Yes, you can. You can say 7 to 46K. Shazam said 45,999 by the end of the year. JDH said not sure about 46K, maybe next year. We'll see, man. We'll see. If we can hit 20,000 by the end of November, I think we're going to still blow to 46,000. Bitcoin is an Illuminati secret retirement plan. Keep holding and adding. Right on, man. How many traders in here? Is there anybody trading or getting into trading? Thanks, Crypto Dave Jr. Crypto Dave and Crypto Dave Jr. are in here. Nice. Irish Derek said, my money says between 5.7 and 17.5. Big dump, then blast off. If BTC hits 46K, what will Litecoin hit? Probably about 500. 500 to 1,000 maybe. Just started on Bybit. Yeah, I do have a Bybit link below, guys. That's another way to support the channel. You don't have to use my links, obviously, but I do have affiliate links down below for Bybit and Prime XBT, KRAKEN. But yeah, if you guys are playing with leverage trading, keep in mind, guys, leverage trading's extremely risky. Yeah, you can win a lot of money, but you can lose a lot extremely fast. And remember, I still stand by 90% of day traders lose everything. Does your wife's site accept Litecoin payments? Not yet, Michael. But she does accept Bitcoin. She will be accepting Litecoin soon. Does trading hopium for dreams count as trading? Sure, man. Yes, I buy and sell, percentage gain, then reaccumulate. Savvy, can you explain how if it can do it 2.5 times by November, why will it do another 2 times for there to hit 46K? All right, I will show you. Go back into the weekly. All right, here was let's look at October in 2017. It was $4,200. By November 2017, it hit $8,000. That is a 96% gain. Then from November, the end of November, 3.5 weeks later, we hit 46,000. That's 146%. And that's why I'm saying if we can hit 20,000 by November, that would be 95%, which it was 96 over here. And if we hit 20,000 by November, it'll take another 133% to get to 46,000. It took 146 here. That is my reasoning behind it. This is a giant version of this, in my opinion. That is exactly what's going on. Again, that's my opinion. Doesn't have to be yours. Where do you see Bitcoin in the next few days? Working its way up to 9,300. I think my average is about 9,100, Mr. Cyclone said. Nice. 8.2K, man. Hi, everyone. We're going up. What's up, Boston? How you doing, brother? Need to start looking at traditional markets. Who, me? People that, I don't know. I noticed that people that mix up the traditional markets with crypto get all screwed up because crypto's totally, not saying it's different, but the gains and the moves are a lot bigger. So it is different. 16 days left to double. No, it got to, let's get to 20K by the end of November. The end of November. That is much more. Where's the money coming from 46K? Where'd the money come from for 20K from 4K? Let me know when you figure that out. I'm not sure who the AP guy is. XRP fan. Way bigger swings. Just like if you zoomed in over here. Oh, this chart, I don't have it. Hold on a minute. Let me get another chart out here. Which one was it? BLX, Brave Little Coin Index, right here. I think if you guys haven't seen it, this is what I believe is going on right here. This right here, I believe is this right here. And if we look in the RSI on the weekly, they both bottomed out at the same exact support line. I do believe this is going to mock that. Traditional is boring, extremely boring. You could make more percentage gains in a day in Bitcoin than you can in a year in the traditional markets. Click the like button, you freeloaders. Help out. Thanks, Gustavo. Yeah, those of you that just got in here, I said this earlier. I am the savvy. The money will come from the wrecked ones after the market bubble bursts in the short, massive amount. I do believe there's something big brewing, guys. I'll talk about that at a different time, but hope financial crisis comes soon. I think it will, man. So anyways, I wanted to say this for you guys. If you guys are watching this, obviously you watch other YouTubers. Help the YouTubers out, man. Like I said, I don't like many of them, but still help them out. We put a lot of time into making these videos. You know, don't forget to smash the like buttons and leave your comments in the video. That really helps out. Doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps YouTubers out, including myself. Don't stop the stream. We're going to pump any minute. Let's get over there. Let's check it out. Looks like it's trying to pump right now. That's for sure. I might have to get off here and play with my trade. Oh, it's still got to get up there and break this. It's got to break. If we break 83.98, 8400, it's going to be a nice run. And I believe we could hit that at least 8800. Ryan C, Crypto Zombie. Where did that come from? Mike Hall said, Bitcoin, please go to the moon. Mike Kinney said, it's better to play in a group than to play with yourself. That 400s are tough today. Talking about the 8400? Oh, yeah, he does. He has an excellent channel. Crypto Zombie has a good channel, and he's a good dude. I hung out with him after the Cleveland meetup. We hung out till, I think it was like 2 or 3 in the morning. He's an awesome guy. Like, he's real. Any Crypto Zombie Cleveland stories? Nah, not other than we both seen that pump while we were eating at a restaurant. Well, he was eating, I wasn't eating. But yeah, no, man, it was just a good time. We hung out. It was a real good time. Big news, man. I love your stuff. Subscribed. Thanks. Much appreciated. He flew from New York City to Cleveland for the meet. Yep. Yeah, like I said, he's a down-to-earth real guy, man. If you guys don't know who Crypto Zombie is, definitely check his channel out. He has an awesome channel. He's does news and a whole lot of other stuff. So check him out. No, Rowdy, don't say that in here no more. Poseidon Lou's in here. What's up, Poseidon? How you doing, man? Thanks for stopping by. We might get to see a little pump here. You have Litecoin prediction chart? The Litecoin's right over here. This is what we're looking at in this channel right now. But like I said, I believe we are in a falling wedge. And if we break out over here, which would be around the $60 range, I believe we're headed to the 120 range. But first, we got to get out of this channel. If we break down from the channel, like I said, watch that 55.50. If we break down below that, we're heading down to the $49 range. Jeff Nelson said I watch him daily as well. Any good exchanges for U.S. customers? Bybit seems like a no-go. KRAKEN, you can use KRAKEN if you're in U.S. A lot of people just download a VPN and use a VPN and you know, then they use the other exchanges. So that is up to you, though. Political scientist Nick Snides. Remember when I told you that LTC would fall to the $50 to $60 range a few months ago? Yeah, because I had a $62 target forever, and then when that broke, every time it went down, guys, I had the targets there. I just didn't believe we were going to go down that far. Don't trade on my opinion. VPN is only needed on Bybit setup. Yeah, I think Prime XBT, you don't need a VPN. Why we all think we won't repeat last year's dump all the way to 3,200 from October to January. We kept going down to 3,200. Smart money on quick gains right now. I remember when you called bottom in December. That's why I'm here. Thanks, Gustavo. When everybody was screaming for, at least everybody, I mean, everybody was screaming for it to go lower. Trying to learn about crypto, watch your videos every day, starting to understand what you're talking about. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Hi from the Netherlands. What's up, Tom? Those times were depressing. Prime kicked me, US restricted. Ah, that sucks. I still play on Prime. They haven't kicked me. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Currency revolution. Hey, brother, you think financial crisis is good or bad for crypto? I think it's a good thing. I think it will be a very good thing. Political scientist Nick Snide says, I'd say we're bottomed out now in Bitcoin. Next top is 20K, followed by a 40% drop, then to the moon and alt season. That's my prediction. Alrighty then. All right, let's get back over to Bitcoin. What's it doing? Definitely wants to pump, and it is getting support by my EMAs here. Let's look at the 1 hour and look at the EMAs. That could be pretty bullish. The 8 is coming up to cross the 55 EMA now. Ah, there's a big ass gap though. See the gap in the 1 hour? That means we could come back down here before moving up. I hate gaps. We're going to 20K in 3 weeks. My mom told me so. Right on. If we're not going to have more discount prices, who knows? This is one of the few places left. Let's fill the gap later, please. Let's just fill it now. Get it the hell out of the way, man. It'll just be real quick, another hour or so. What alts do I like? Litecoin's really the only alt I hold any of, but I am starting to look into other stuff. Talking to Crypto Zombie and stuff, I got into a little bit more looking at the alts, and not because I believe in them, just because it's easy money. If you get into the right ones, get into them while they're low cap before the runs. You know, I'm gonna try it. That's gambling, but you know what? I'll try a little bit. How low is the gap, Savvy? It's just a little tiny gap in the 1 hour. I mean, it's not a big deal. It is at 83.45, so it's not a big deal. Litecoin and Zcash, Electrostatic says. Cardano. Nulls. I like Chainlink as a gamble. Yeah, I mean, those are getting higher cap, though. I'm talking about the low cap. The coins that just come out and stuff. Decree calling 6K due to GBTC gap. Alrighty then. Is he pretty dead set on that? I'm calling for a break of this damn wedge, is what I'm calling for. We break this wedge, I do believe we will see 8,800 pretty quick. What do you think on Dash? I don't know. I don't really pay attention to that stuff, man. XRP's pumping. Zcash has the lowest circulating supply. I don't know. I've really never checked into those projects. Like I said, I might start buying some low cap stuff and playing some breakouts and getting into a little bit more trading. What is Litecoin doing? I'll go into the 1 hour. Litecoin's really bunched up in the EMAs here. Crypto Revolution says we need to have full maximum adoption to the moon. Feds will delay the recession until the bubble bursts. Then it's every man and woman for themselves. Next recession will become another depression. For sure. I think 2008 was the last bailout. I mean, I don't think they can do that shit anymore. I think the system is way too screwed right now. Can't tell with him. It's hard for tubers to keep bullish and bearish when they're watching all the other tubers, right? God, they change their minds every freaking day, man. And all most of them do is copy other ones' charts and other people's charts. They don't even do their own charting. There's just very few that actually do. Litecoin's trying to pump too. I guess if it can get over the 200 EMA here on the 1 hour, it might start a little pump. Draw a little trend line there to watch it. Yeah, if Litecoin can break 57, it'll have a nice move coming. If it breaks 57, let's see. If we can break 57, it's probably going up to around $59, $60 range. And then probably much higher from there. We'll see what happens. Anthony said I centralized just like XRP. $46K would be a target for maybe mid next month. Mid next month? No way. I see us probably hitting the old all-time high by November. If that 77 holds and we don't go below it. Like I said before, I believe if we go below 7,700, we are going to 63. BTC wicks candles look bullish. Yeah, they're really wicking the shit out of people in this area, man. They've thrown a shit ton of wicks. Next month is November. Eth is pumping 3%. If Bitcoin breaks this 8,400, guys, I think everything's probably going to pump with it. The real elephant in the room, what are you drinking there? Money juice? Big News said I'm just scary, maybe a fake out, then dump to 84 or 78.40. Yeah, right in here. It's possible. That's the bottom of this, off of these wicks here. That's the bottom of that triangle. Like I said, it is possible if we break down here to come down to the 78.47. But so far, the top of this triangle is held as support. So it's actually looking good. I believe if we break this wedge, we don't have to worry about these lower lows. But we'll see. If we threw some... Let me throw the fibs on this real quick. Just do a fib retrace of this. And it hit the golden pocket area. So definitely that could be a wave one. Let's measure it. Like I said, I used to do Elliott wave. I don't care for it, but I still do have it in my toolbox and I play with it. Fibs are way more important than the Elliott wave. But look at that, the 16.8 goes up to that 96 or 9,800, which was the measured move of, what the hell was it, the measured move of? I don't remember now, but that would be nice. That would be real nice. Get that off there. Yeah, I don't know what the hell this was off of. I don't know. Sometimes I get lost. 299 watching, only 99 likes. What the hell, people? Come on. Hit the damn likes. I like your real no bullshit approach. The viewers are more solid here because the chat is real. Yeah, man. This is we've grown an awesome community too. If you guys, anybody in here is looking for a place to hang out and learn about and talk about crypto, there's a link to the Discord in the description below all my videos. Definitely check it out. It's a great group of people in there. Yeah, it's a good time. Check it out. Adam Rogers, 46K end of year. Yes, I still believe it's possible. I still believe it's possible. Yeah, man, I'll just take my money back at this point. Alrighty then. Crypto chat said some assholes. There's going to be assholes everywhere, but if they get too bad, we'll boot them out. Kenneth Goodson said, haven't figured out if I like you yet. All right, man. Anyways, I'm going to shill it one more time. Definitely check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. There's links to it below in the description. Check it out. She does more than just crypto. You can put anything on that stuff you want. So look at how parabolic it would have to go to make 46K in 2 months. Chemical, I am going to show you like I just got done showing people before. Let's go into Bitcoin in the weekly. Were you here for 2017? This is what it would have to do. I'm going to show this one more time. Do you see this bull flag here? Do you see this bull flag here? This is a giant version of this, in my opinion. From right here in October, it was $4,000 in October. By November, it made it up 96% up to 8,000. From November, the end of November to the December, I think it was December 17th. It was like 3 weeks. It went from 8,000 to 20,000. This could do the same thing. The percentages would be just about the same, actually a little less. So yeah. Guntherno, Savvy, here's my 2 cents at night, especially later at night as the time zone goes to Asia. The price always drops. If it was earlier in the day right now, I'd say we'd break up, but not at night. That changes, man. That definitely changes. It all depends. A lot of times it can go both ways, and it depends on what the market's doing. Usually if the market's bullish, they'll take it up at night. I don't know how long you've been in crypto, but they were the ones to take it up every night during the last bull run. Dave Woodrow, probable or possible? Probable if we stay above 7,700, and definitely probable if we can get to 20,000 by the end of November, which I definitely think is possible. People I know who bought high are waiting for it to get back before buying more. Not selling, but there will be some profit taking, I'm sure, but I wouldn't count on everyone. For sure, man. Nick Cannon, hello. Found your channel 2 weeks ago. Keep up the great work. Thanks, man. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. I really, really, really appreciate it. That does help support the channel. Believe it or not, that helps get the videos out there. That's why YouTubers always ask for you to comment on their video and leave a thumbs up. It really helps us out. It helps get the video out there. YouTube will not put the video out there to more people if there's not some kind of interaction. So that's why we ask you to do that. Thanks, Jose. Appreciate the tip, man. Savvy, what's the new coin you invested in? It was in one of your videos a few weeks ago. BiDAO. Thanks, Mike. Thanks for the tip, brother. It was BiDAO. And it's kind of like MakerDAO. Gunthrow, what's up? Hey, Savvy, end of the year prediction for LTC. If Bitcoin hits my prediction, Litecoin will probably be 500 to 1,000. Savvy, will we have new crypto volume since in 2017 many got burned? Yeah, I think once it goes above 20 grand, there'll be all kinds of people jumping in. Ryan C said I put 1K and buy it out. It shows 2K. Interesting. Did you contact him? I would be happy. $500 Litecoin would be awesome for sure. It would be kick ass. Chemical said I believe above 20K we'll see a lot of resistance. So many people wanting to get out. I don't know about that. That'd be a good place for the big boys to buy a lot. And just, if they're going to be selling into 20 grand, they can just keep buying it there for a while then. Sean said, hey, Savvy, holding on for dear life. Thanks for all your hard work, man. Here in the UK, smash those likes. Bam. Yeah, I totally agree. Make them FOMO in back at 40. Just like 6 grand, everybody thought that this year there was no way we were going to get above 6 grand this whole year. And I don't know, those of you that watch my videos back then remember saying, everybody that's shorting and thinking we're going to get resistance at 6 grand, you will be FOMOing in. I said, I'll see you at 7 grand when you FOMO in. And that's exactly what happened. And that's probably what's going to happen at 20K, honestly. Will you try to guess out next all-time high or wait for the initial drop? I won't sell my Bitcoin. I may sell little bits of it, but I'm not in it for that. I don't want... I'm in Bitcoin because I think fiat is shit. So why would I sell my Bitcoin for fiat? I personally just hold, and with my trading account, just trade the chart, so I don't care what the price is, to be honest. Yeah, it's all good, man. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links down below, guys. There is some exchange links. Bybit, you can get, I think, from a $60 to $220 bonus. They give you, you can't withdraw it, but you can trade with it and keep the gains. And I think Prime XBT does a 20%. So whatever you put in, they'll put 20% in on top of it. So if you put in 1,000, you know, they put in 200. And you can only keep the gains on it, though. You can't take the money, their money out. D-Man said bought Litecoin at 29, kept buying ever since. Joe said inkyourimage.com. Thanks, man. That is my wife's webpage. There is a link to that below in the description. That is one hell of a way to support the channel. Anyways, guys, I think I am going to get out of here. Like I said, if we break 8,400, I think it's going to be a hell of a night. If not, we could be going back down to the 80-81, but it's looking pretty good, guys. Thanks for Savvy Mofos will always FOMO. I only have a quarter of a Bitcoin, so I'm moving most of it and making small Bitcoin gains. Alrighty. But anyways, thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to smash the likes on your way out and check below the video in the description for my affiliate links. Really helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it. And you guys have a great night, and I will talk to you later.